Welcome back to the Premier Volleyball League Open Conference. The match today, Cool Smashers against the Lady Jet Spikers. For those who just joined us, the Cool Smashers prevailing the first and the second set. Although the Lady Jet Spikers gave chase, but they fell short. Cool Smashers is playing a good all-around game, a team effort, and minimize their errors. But Gia Morado at the helm really distributing it well. Everybody getting involved. Remulla, and of course, Eliza Valdez, Pao Soriano, Vargas, really getting everyone involved. So total team effort there for the Cool Smashers. For the Jet Spikers, they made it close at the start of the set, but they just couldn't get over the hump, which is one thing they have to learn in coming to the third set. Look at the numbers in terms of attacks. 14-11, blocking, 1 and 2 in favor of the Jet Spikers. Service aces, still cool Smashers. But actually, unforced errors, the Cool Smashers, 9 as compared to 6. But all these unforced errors actually happened at the early part of the set. Towards the end, we saw medyo kumonte na yung errors nila.
Well, Noreen, baon dito ang Lady Jet Spikers, 2-0. Nabanggit natin kanina, napag-usapan natin yung mga kailangan nila sanang adjustments in set number 2, pero Eliza Valdez, napakalaking factor. Defense and offense, nakita natin kanina, ang dami niyang digs, turned into attacks. As well, Pao Soriano, factor din para sa Cool Smashers. Ano ba ang kailangan para sa Lady Jet Spikers dito sa set number 3?
I think really they need, now after the first 2 sets, they need to adjust their offense. Kasi obviously, they're not comfortable in their attacking, no? I mean, we mentioned, kulang si Joy Cases, Andy Puesto, we rarely mention her name. It's all Yari Yonko, even Fantino, rarely, no? So, you need to get them more involved, speaking of Wendy and Samana, because it can't just be Yari Yonko. I know she's your first option, pero kailangan mag-involve lahat ng ibang players.
And yung service error ni Fantino sa panimula ng set number 3, hindi makakatulong. Nabigyan na sana sila ng 3-point. Pero binalik din nila. Pao Soriano, good serve. Yonko. First point mula sa opensa, manggagaling kay Yari Yonko.
Yeah, miscue there between Mandapat and Vargas, who've been actually playing well together. Leading scores there, Valdez and Soriano. Soriano stepping up. Yonko still and Tapik.
Oh wow, Eliza Valdez. Grabe yung pinanggalingan niya, and then ikot para makapuntos. We're tied 2-2. Puntahan natin si Angelique Manto.
Nagsimula sa track and field na inggit daw itong si Neneng sa mga volleyball players. Nung grade 6 siya na hindi tumatakbo, kaya lumipat nito sa volleyball. Pero kidding aside, si Neneng o si Josimer Tapik nagsabing isa sa mga rason daw kung bakit nag-pursue siya ng volleyball dahil sa idolo niyang si Jane Balse. At ngayon nakaharap niya yung koponan ng kanyang idolo. Naalala daw niya yung first time niyang makaharap itong si Jane Balse sa Philippine Army at the Air Force dun sa laban nila. Naalala pa nga daw niya na very excited daw siya doon at ang iniisip niya lang gusto ko siyang ma-block at na-block naman daw niya ito, pero bumawi din itong si Jane Balse. Fast forward to now, from being an idol, ngayon they are friends and they have come a long way. At very proud pa nga binanggit sa akin itong si Josimer na ninang daw ito ng first baby nitong si Jane Balse. Truly, volleyball connects people for all the right reasons. Erica Noreen.
Salamat, Angelique. Oo, Balse from UST, ano?
Yep.
Ako nagkakamali. Valdez, pupuntos na naman.
4-2. It's destiny.
Destiny.
They get connected for all the right reasons. Serendipity.
Pero, medyo emotional ka ngayon na rin.
I took from Angelique Man.
Josimer Tapik, dating track and field.
Oo.
Kaya naman kita natin yung galaw niya, mabilis, maliksi.
Tsaka yung explosive,
oo.
Yung approach na, very explosive. And that's also why her not being the tallest, pero effective eh.
3 serving 4. Malakas yung serve ni Yari Yonko. 2-point lead para sa Cool Smashers.
Yeah, but that's not helping their cause. Talking about these service errors.
O yung opensa ng Lady Jet Spikers kasing lamig ng creamy ice cream ng cream light. Pero nakaisa sila doon.
Oh, a smart tip there
Pero yun ang hindi natin nakikita na rin. Ano, nabanggit mo na kanina, hindi lang pwedeng si Yari Yonko. Kasi ang dami ding opensa na pwedeng pagpilian ng Semana eh. Pwede kay Tapik, Pantino, Cases, Antipuesto. Pero hindi nga gumagana yung ibang players na kailangan gumana. Ito na naman. Wala pa yata na ipapasok na service itong Lady Jet Spikers. Puro error.
That's 3. That's 3. Now pa lang, that's 3 already.
Excellent sets.
Yep, 18 for Morado. And Semana with 15.
Oh, hindi naman nalalayo.
Yeah.
Parang virus Nakakahawa. May laro ka ba bukas? Huwag ka masyadong dumikit.
Yeah, that's one thing that you don't want to commit on. Too many service errors.
Oh, grabe ngayong third set 5 serving 6. Ayun, pasok. Serve ni Tapik. Pero pupuntos naman doon sa kabila ang Cool Smashers. Pao Soriano, 2-point lead, 7-5.
I gotta mention again yung connection ni Morado and Soriano. Parang kita natin, diba we mentioned earlier, that's the Soriano of old eh. Parang nasa Adamson pa siya eh.
Parang matagal ng teammates, ano?
Yeah.
Pantino, yes. Mayan Pantino, kanina pa natin inaabangan kung kailan ito maghihinap. 11 points in their last game, pero last 2 sets na talaga siya gumana. Ngayon, third set na. Kailangang magsimula na talaga si Mayan Pantino.
Yeah. They'll need more of that from her.
Hindi maganda yung first ball ni Mandapat. Pero yung habol ni Morado, grabe. Naramdaman ko yung paglagapak ni Rico sa may harap natin.
Oh.
Good dig and good rally. Ngayon, no block para kay Yari Yonko. Easy point.
That's a good point for the Jet Spikers. Kita natin na, you know, they utilized the setting of Wendy and Semana para makaangat si Yonko na walang blocker. So, smart set by Semana.
Tied tayo for the first time in set number 3. Nasa gitna, Pao Soriano, block. Vargas. Balik sa kalamangan ng Cool Smashers, 8-7 kontra sa Lady Jet Spikers, set number 3. Good Vibes Freeze Moment. Hatid sa inyo ng Creamline. Magpa-Good Vibes, mag-Creamline Creamy Ice Cream. At napaka-thoughtful talaga ng fans ni Alyssa. Kita mo naman buuin nila yun. At eto pa.
Grabe, no?
Grabe.
Allyfinity.
Well, Valdez at ang Cool Smashers lamang ng isa, 8-7 kontra sa Lady Jet Spikers, set number 3. Yonko. Morado, papunta kay Valdez. Cross court, Balmaceda, sinagot. Semana, back set, Yari Yonko. Valdez against 2 blockers.
That should be, you know, morale-boosting block for the Jet Spikers.
Sabi ni Lorraine, nakasubaybay kami mula sa Tubod, Lanao del Norte. Hashtag PBL on ABS-CBN. Fans, obviously. Liza Valdez.
Yeah. And Cool Smashers pa rin. Go Gia Morado and Ate Alyssa Valdez. Deadly combination. Go Cool Smashers.
Pero pupuntos doon ang Lady Jet Spikers. Richie, this is what volleyball is all about. Both teams are good. Hashtag PBL on ABS-CBN. Yung power duo, Valdez Morado, is love.
Yeah.
Soriano, good block by Antipuesto. Angelica naman, bandana ni Coach Tai. Nagdala. Go Gia Lai Tandem. Hashtag PBL on ABS-CBN yan. Yung bandana, oh. Wala, hindi sinuot si Coach Tai dito. Simula lang, sabi
Simula,
mo.
yeah.
Hindi ginamit eh. Valdez. May net violation pa doon. Ang Lady Jet Spikers.
9-10.
Medyo nang gigil na because she had a successful block earlier. So talaga gusto niya i-block ulit.
Naghahabol ang Cool Smashers, 9 serving 10. Oh, mababa. Pao Soriano, kitang-kita.
For the Lady Jet Spikers.
2-point lead. Lady Jet Spikers, Antipuesto magsiserve.
Well, it's a good sign for the Jet Spikers. They find themselves leading or ahead here in the third set.
Pero ang masakit doon, if you're Cool Smashers, puro sa inyong puntos yun na ibigay nyo lang ng mga errors kadalasan galing sa Cool Smashers.
Look at this.
Layos na naman, ano?
Look at how she twists. Talaga dinala niya dun eh.
Mga dalawa, tatlong plays na ginagawa nila yan. Eh. So far, hindi pa nasusolusyonan ng Air Force. Yonko. Vargas. Morado. Balik kay Valdez. Against two blockers. Pasok.
Into the block. 11 all.
Tied tayo at 11.
You won't block Valdez all the time. She will get her numbers.
Just too tall, too athletic, too strong, Alyssa Valdez.
And smart.
And very smart as well. Cases. Wow, Cases really off her game today.
Well, you can see, no, yung follow through niya very tight. Talaga parang pinipigilan niya yung arm swing niya eh. So normally, nagmi-miss it ka eh. Kasi when you go up for the spike, you want a smooth motion. So far, medyo tight si Cases.
Cases. Pero doon, pupuntos si Tapi.
We're
Tied at 12 tayo. Mas, well, hindi naman masasabing mas dikit. Pero both teams hindi consistent. In set number 3, madaming errors. Walang makakuha ng momentum, ng rhythm. Morado, underhand set. Valdez sa kabila. Ay, easy shot. Kita-kita niya. Walang tao sa likod ng depensa. It is the smart na sinasabi natin, Noreen.
Yeah.
Hindi lang puro palo, puro lakas.
Kita na niya eh. She knows when she's in the air. It's a perfect time to drop. There! At the center.
Butas na butas. Lamang ng isa ang Cool Smashers. Topic. Hahabol si Nunag. Valdez nandoon. And Vargas itatawid ang bola. Semana papalo. Block ni Remulla. Cases sa angat. Andun si Nunag. Morado. Vargas. Yes.
Yeah, just overpowering the blockers of the Jet Spikers.
Tsaka eto na naman si Morado, no? Palipat-lipat yung paghatid niya ng bola. Hirap humabol yung depensa eh.
And what about that save?
Ito pa yung save, oo. Valdez serving. Lamang ng dalawa ang Cool Smashers. Yonko, back row. Vargas, malakas. Pero check ball. Ang ginawag.
Si Vargas already looking at referee Bob Malena. Sabi ni Bob, I will call it.
Mag-request mo na yun, ha?
Oh, check ball. I will call it.
3-point lead para sa Cool Smashers. Gawin mo na ulit dalawa. Service error, Alyssa Valdez.
But today, the service errors.
Marami. Both teams.
Both teams, yeah.
Third set po tayo. Ang Lady Jet Spikers naghahanap ng panalo dito dahil kung hindi, matitikman nila yung kanilang unang talo sa Open Conference. Good serve! Mula kay Cases.
Yeah, finally. That's gotta wake her up.
Isa na lang. Ang hinahabol nila dito, 14-15, set number 3.
Yeah, if you're the Jet Spikers, you wanna aim to get to the second technical timeout ahead.
Oh,
Na
yun
parang
tayo.
never nangyari eh.
Remulla. Great timing, Ivy Remulla.
Second technical timeout.
Ganda rin combination play para sa Cool Smashers. Lamang sila ng dalawa. Ito yung sinasabi mo, Noreen. Nasa peligro na ang Lady Jet Spikers. Lamang ng dalawa, Cool Smashers, 16-14, set number 3.
Hi Zoy, I'm Eileen from San Juan. Tanong ko lang kung marunong ka magpalipad ng aircraft.
Hi Elaine Caridad. Tungkol doon sa tanong mo, kung marunong ako magpalipad ng aircraft, hindi kasi ano yun eh, by schooling yun, pagiging piloto yun. Ayun. Thank you sa question at saka thank you for supporting Hair Ferry Air Force.
Well, good question yun, no? Mula kay Elaine. Kasi, ayan si Elaine, no? Kasi, air woman sila pag ini-introduce dito. Siyempre, matatanong ka din, nagtatrabaho ka sa Air Force kung yun nga, tinuruan kayo magpalipad.
Yeah, actually, normally you'd assume.
Na, lahat kayo, since nasa Air Force ka, baka lahat kayo may basic training, ano, na humawak ng aeroplano to palipad. Topic. Yes! Hahabol si Morado, hindi nakahabot. At ang naghahabol na Lady Jet Spikers, didikit 16 or make that 15-16.
Yeah, but the effort from Gia Morado.
Easy serve, Mandapat. Papunta kay Vargas. Habol si Tapik. Easy over. Para sa Lady Jet Spikers. Nasa gitna, Mandapat. Pantino. Walang opensa ang Lady Jet Spikers ngayon. Vargas. Outside.
Ball is out.
Yep, the chance right now for the Jet Spikers.
2 straight points.
Itong part ng set is normally where Cool Smashers, they get 3-point lead. So if you're the Jet Spikers, well, you gotta get your serves in first. And that's plaguing them. Every time na lang na make you think that they're gonna have a momentum, to build a momentum, yeah, service error.
Ganda nung abang ni Vargas sa over-receive ni Pantino at dalawa ulit ang kalabangan ng Cool Smashers. Ganun-ganun lang, ang bilis bumaliktad, Noreen.
Yeah, and they're actually one missed receive and one service error. So really, I mean, they're doing it to themselves.
Outside nga lang, Mandapat, service error, parang pareho din no? Aangat lang sila ng dalawa, kaka-error din ang Cool Smashers.
Service na naman.
Semana, alam natin, good server to. Ayun, pasok. Morado, papunta kay Soriano, na block ni Pantino. Nuna, giangat for Vargas. Na block ulit. Valdez habol. Mandapat. Semana. Yonko nasa gitna, yes!
The combination. 18 all.
Well, it's a good sign. We are tied at 18. If you're the Jet Spikers, diba? Ayaw mo na mag-lead masyado. You wanna keep it close. So hopefully, sa last part, kayo yung magkaroon ng lead.
Huwag ka lang maiwanan,
Yeah.
Uy, nagkalituhan doon. Free ball para sa Lady Jet Spikers. Tingnan natin ang atake. Yari Yonko. Yes! So, Yari Yonko. Back-to-back points at lalamang ang Lady Jet Spikers. 19-18.
Finally.
Timeout. Dreamland.
Timeout si Coach Ty Bundit. Pakinggan natin ang Cool Smashers.
One more point, get one. Tip, ha?
Okay lang. Ano na lang muna tayo, pag medyo loose ball, hingi tayo ng bola para alam natin yung papaluin natin. Mas alam din ni Jay sa set.
Hey guys, look! Sa transition, main option nila si Yonko. So pag nagkabalikan, transition ready right away yung block. Do you understand? Quick and then Yonko. So yun muna bantayan natin. Do you understand? Then go, likas tayo. Okay? 1, 2, 3.
Head Coach Ty Bundit, Assistant Coach Oliver Almadro. Giving instructions sa yung mga kids natin. Kompleto outfit, pati yung bandana.
Hindi naman sila mahilig sa pink.
Bagay naman eh.
Yeah, of course.
Vargas. Balmaceda nakasagot.
Yeah.
Pantino. Nandun si Nunag. Back row. Alyssa Valdez. Mababa. Dalawa ang kalabangan dito ng Lady Jet Spikers 2018.
Yeah, and if you're Jet Spikers, you have to be pleased kasi that's from a timeout of the Cool Smashers.
Exactly. At kanina nakita natin, first 2 sets, pag tumatimeout si Coach Ty Bundit, may magandang resulta, no?
Exactly.
Soriano. Naibalik ni Pantino. Tip, malakas para kay Morado. 3-point lead, Lady Jet Spikers.
The tides have turned.
Ganda sana yung desisyon ni Morado, no? Walang tao eh.
Too strong lang.
Lakas lang. 21-18. Good serve. Pao Soriano. Balmaceda. Vargas. Yari Yonko papalo. Morado, saan pupunta? Pao Soriano, tapik. Nahabol Semana. Yari Yonko. Good block by Soriano.
Oh, single block.
Pantino. Block. And puntos para sa Cool Smashers.
Pantino rejected.
What a rally.
19.
What
to
defense
21.
actually by both teams.
Pero Cool Smashers, dalawa hinahabol dito. 19-21. Although lamang sila 2-0 kontra sa Lady Jet Spikers. Rose Vargas, good serve. outside nga lang. Kanina pa to, no? Talaga.
Service errors.
Dami para sa Cool Smashers ngayong third set, lalo na.
Well, for the Cool Smashers, Eliza Valdez in front. So the challenge right now for the Jet Spikers is depensa, yung formation.
Valdez. Pantino nakaluhod, nahabol pa yung bola. Ito si Cases. Oh, net block. Cases, talagang wala sa timing ngayon. Nori, hindi magandang laro niya ngayon, ano?
Off rhythm, no?
Binibigyan siya ng touches ni Semana at ng playing time ni Coach Jimenez, pero talagang hindi niya makuha today. May mga ganun talaga na araw.
Yeah, but you know, if you're an athlete, you have to shake it off, eh.
Lalo na kung key player ka, no?
Yeah.
Cases, nakitawid ang bola. Morado, Valdez. Bang! Nahuli na ng konti si Antipuesto at yun lang ang kailangan ni Eliza Valdez para maipasok ang bola.
All she needed.
Hindi mo, hahabol si Antipuesto eh, pero yung butas na yun, yun lang yun.
Yeah.
Dalaway na yun. Ang hirap talaga ng humahabol. Kung maaari, tumakbo ka na doon. Naka-establish ka, habol ka, pero dahan-dahan. Huwag magmamadali. Pag humabol ka, ang hirap ibalik, di ba? Di pag habol mo, ibalik mo yung kamay mo. Kasi yung lang ang daan ng bola, yung malakas ka. Yung cross. Kasi nakatapat ka na, di ba? Okay, sige. Kapit tayo. Sa loob.
3-point lead ni Coach Jimenez. Nauubos. Inuunti-unti ng Cool Smashers at si Eliza pa rin yung tinututukan niya, no? Sabi niya nga, lumampas ka na, ibalik mo na lang yung kamay mo kasi cross-court na poprotektahan natin kasi nakatapat na si Yari Yonko.
Yeah, that's what we said. Yeah, that's the challenge of the Jet Spikers. Your defense, eh. Because Eliza Valdez obviously is the first option of the Cool Smasher.
Semana, punta kay Yonko. Solid block, pero buhay pa ang bola. Cases, katikit sa net. Morado, balik kay Eliza Valdez. Tip, andyan si Semana. Balmaceda mag-aangat, balik kay Yonko. Yonko papalo. Oh, net violation kontra sa Cool Smashers.
Well, that's a cushion that the Jet Spikers need at this point.
Ayun, kitang-kita tumama sa ibabaw si Ivy Remulla. 2-point lead. 2-point cushion higangan ni Norin para sa Lady Jet Spikers. 23-21. Valdez. Bang! Andun na yung depensa. Nakatapat na pareho si Antipuesto at si Yari Yonko.
Ito na ni Eliza. May blocker ba? Look at the wind up and tapos na follow.
Ayun nga yung sinasabi ni Mr. Na. Sorry, Mr. Acero pala yun. Pero service error na naman. Norin. And set point para sa Lady Jet Spikers. 24-22.
Good serve.
Morado. Valdez. Block! Oh! At haba pa po ang bakbakan natin dito. Ayun, tuwa naman yung mga fans. May extra set. Buhay pa ang Lady Jet Spikers. Ganda ng ilalaro nila ng set 3.
Yeah, even if you're a Cool Smashers fan, no, it's welcome. You welcome a fourth set because you get to see your favorite players play again. But Jet Spikers played so much better here in the third set.
Lady Jet Spikers nanalo ng set number 3, 25-22. Set 4, susunod na po dito sa SNA.